What's up, guys? Back for another race day. Got the lady back there. Got some of her co-workers back there. You can't really see them. They're in an ST. I busted my lip pretty good too. It is 31 degrees. It's fucking freezing. The high today for Roswell is 45. Got the tires back here. I got my new, oh, you can't see it right now. I had a new toolkit instead of that big clear plastic thing with a bunch of junk in it. It's a real nice toolbox she got me for Christmas. It's fucking really nice with it. But we're waiting here. There's supposed to be another guy in a 1 Series BMW. He ain't messaged me back yet, so we're gonna wait around here for a minute and then just head to Roswell, get some McDonald's and race. Really excited to see how these BCs do. My alignment is a little but we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna have to like shift my subframe to get my camber proper in the front because it's all kind of fucked up. I got way more camber on one side than the other, but I actually made this course. One of the guys that helped run these events, Charles, he came to me and asked me if I could make a couple, and I made a couple. So we're gonna use one of my maps. It should be fun. Hopefully, it's not too hard. I try to make it kind of difficult, but not stupid, but still fun. So, and this is not gonna be like a normal autocross video like I normally do. It's gonna be mostly me talking about my car and the suspension, and I'll do a couple clips of people and shit. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a real good day, even though it's fucking freezing.
Big money ended up counting me out. Every stage will understand.
Alright guys, we're here. I did a little time lapse putting the wheels on. We went out for the parade lap and I heard this terrible rubbing. We made 2 laps, it just got worse and worse. It turns out my DCC deletes, they were facing, like if you're looking straight forward at the wheel, the delete was sitting that way, and the very inside of these other wheels were hitting them, and I'm glad I found them. Shout out to JJ, he walked along the side of the car, popped the wheels off, and you can see it was starting to run through one of the wires on one side, so I turned them 9 degrees on both. So if you have DCC deletes, make sure that they're sitting like parallel with the car. The course is super tight. I designed this course, and I did not really think it was going to be this tight in the beginning. It's just, it starts out like an S, and it's all rock. Okay, and I'm up next. So this Slam Miata out here, that thing's sweet. Got like a couple vets out here. JJ came down from Amarillo. Mike came down from Albuquerque. So it's a good start of the year. You got a very good turnout. Oh, the Trackhawk's here too. I have to get a video of the Jeep out there. It's gonna be tight. Between me and Roy, whoever gets first place today takes home the trophy. They're doing a point system now here, and every like first, second, third is points, and then I think every quarter or every half year, I forget how they said they're gonna do it, you get the award, and I think we're just gonna pass it down, I believe, and like we'll sign it and pass it down or something like that. We'll see. So it's on the hook today against the Turbo Honda. So I turned my dampening down on the back to +5 and the front to +10. I'm hoping a little softer, give me a little bit more grip in these corners. Everything's pretty fucking tight. You guys will see. I'll get the GoPro up and she'll record some, but I'll talk to you guys throughout the day, let you know how the suspension goes. I'm sure it's gonna be fucking fantastic. Having some added camber no matter what is gonna be an improvement. So here we go. Sorry for the win. First lap, pretty good, 56 seconds. Didn't launch the car, took it easy. Still got a lot of learning. These first turns are fucking slippery. Had the Trackhawk out here getting it. There's the girlfriend, killing it. Let's see how she... Slip, slip, slip. Get it, girl. See, that's a full circle entry and exit at the same part. This part's pretty simple. This corner you really gotta turn it, and then in here, these next cones, it's complete full log.
And then once you get out of here, everything here is just slip, slip, slip. Surprised she's not flooring it. It looks good though. Woo! Understeer.
Oh yeah. So this right here is the Jeep Trackhawk. If you don't know, this is the same motor out of a Hellcat. Shit's all fucked up. This thing is mean and it gets sideways as fuck. Enjoy it.
There we go. Hit it. Oh, girl. Hell yeah. Get it, girl. There you go, there you go.
Gotta let her drive your car, see what happens.
Shit.
Well, I like it, she's aggressive. Every time she's out here, she's more and more aggressive.
Oh yeah. She learns quick.
I enjoy watching her run because I like how she changes her technique.
There you go, there you go. Control that slip.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
So that was lap number 4. I've done slight adjustments throughout the day. I've never really fucked with dampening too much in my life. On my Mark IV I had it, but I only ever adjusted the rear. I don't even know if I could adjust the front. It's kind of a noob, still kind of am. I feel like it was better on setting 5 because I raised this to 10 and that to 10. The back feels good. The front's a little too much. I want it to like stick a little bit more, so you do softer so it doesn't rebound as quick, I guess. I don't know. Either way, I put down to 5. I took like 2 more PSI out of the front tires. Try and grip a little bit more. I've taken, my best time so far is like a 55.6, I think. And the best time of the day is a 54.4. And that's the Honda. So I need to get on that. Damn it, I meant to take a video. Roy, I'm sorry you're watching this. You're on the track right now. I'm an idiot. You're kicking ass though. You can hear him. He's killing it. Good day though, good day. She's doing good. She really doesn't like these tires, but in the next couple months, hopefully the M3 will be the main car, and then this will just be the daily. But she's loving it. I'm loving it. The dog's loving it. Watching a Jack Hawk is fucking awesome.
What a day, what a day.
Get it, girl. Do it for the Eagles, baby. Come on, they're gonna win today. I'm a Steelers fan. She likes the Vikings. I want the Eagles to win though. There you go. She's been trying to do that all day. Come on, come on. Skirt. That's sexy. Beautiful. Come on, come on, come on. What's up, pepperoni? Huh? How'd that feel? Ooh, hey girl. You got a little sideways there, huh? Yeah? Look at this guy. Taking home the trophy. He deserved it though. You're consistent as fuck today too.
Thank you.
Look at this thing. Wanna pop the hood for him? All gutted. Where's your where was your weight savings for the day?
Me?
No, your little knobs, your little handles.
Oh, yeah, I don't know where it's at.
He took his window guys out.
So it's stock as fuck, right? Yep.
I'd say it's pretty stock. Just a little choo-choo boy. There you go. Got it. I'm coming for you.
Yeah.
Realignment.
I'm ready. I'm aim.
Hell yeah. That's a nice ass trophy though, for real, for real.
Don't worry.
And then there's Mike. He came all the way from Albuquerque. Hey! Now, as you guys can see here, I just stopped the timeline, or the time lapse. This tire is backwards, along with all the rest. I ran my tires reverse this whole day. I don't know how much that really affects things, but my dumbass did it. My girlfriend called me out on it. I totally forgot they were directional. As you can see in there, my DCC delete. Now it was facing straight towards us, and I had turned it. That's what was making some noise earlier. The car did very well though. You can see the new scathe there in my trip to Denver. I guess I caught a rock in the rotor. Fucked it up real nice all the way around. Shout out to BC though. These bitches are fucking super nice. Swift spring upgrade. Oh,
took second place for the day, and that put me at second place for the overall 2018 season out here in Roswell. I took 5th overall in the West Texas, second here, not bad. Also second place today, coming for that Honda. I need to realign my subframe. I got like an extra degree of camber on one side. I should help a little bit. My tires were backwards, I'm an idiot. I don't know how much that really affects things. I'm not here to make excuses though. It was a great day. I pushed the car as hard as I could, and in that last run I kind of fucked everything up, as you saw. It's good. Everything's learning, and with only racing, our last time we raced was October, or no, November. We didn't have a December event, so this event took place of the December event, and that's why it's the award and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna do it every 6 months, he said, and we're gonna change the way groups work. Kind of, we'll have like a pro class, amateur, and beginner. So like new people that were here today aren't competing against us. That'd be really good. As I gotta say, BC, fuck yeah, buy them. Swift spring upgrade. Now, if I were you, I'll go a little bit stiffer in the rear. I want it a little bit stiffer in the rear, so I'll probably upgrade springs later on, eventually. DCC deletes by iSweep, A++, no issues there, other than user error. United Motorsports tune, the best in the biz, especially if you have a manual. BFI motor mounts, APR dog bone insert, racing line catch can intake, and other bits. They make this car what it is. And of course my stock clutch is actually finally starting to go. My car has almost 54,000 miles, and every time I launched the car today, the clutch slipped. So I got a couple of 034 parts coming in, but after that, probably in the next month or so, I'll be ordering a clutch. Probably do one more event on this, and then change the clutch right after that. I don't know which one I'm going to go with. Probably DKM. I think that's who I hear the most about. If you guys have manual Mark 7s, let me know what you run. I want to know. And I plan on putting maybe like 30-40 more horsepower into this thing, slightly upgraded turbo and fuel, just so I can get the valves clean, not necessarily for power. And I'm upgrading turbos for reliability, not for power. This is plenty of power, for autocross at least. But if I think of anything else, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. But it was a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys here.